Race hold.
4 tap it forward, 2 tap it forward.
Tap it forward. So first 3, give me a hit. Go.
4 tap it forward. 5 tap it forward. 2 hold, hard. 2 back it up 1 stroke.
We're good here.
2 back
Keep
it up
holding.
1 stroke.
Let's go. Come
4
on.
to 5,
Let's go, besties.
Let's go. Let's go.
Besties.
1 back it up 1 stroke. 2 hold. 1 back it up 1/2 a stroke.
Keep holding. Keep holding.
Okay, elbows hold.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
2 tap it forward. 2 tap it forward, 1/2 a stroke. Okay, we have alignment.
We have alignment.
Let's go, Girlboss.
Ready. Attention.
Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up. Up, up, 4, 5, 6, and up. Up, up, 4, 5, 6. Reach it. Ow. Let's go. Big settle. Good shit. Let's go, ladies. Anchor. Now.
Dig.
Come on, respond. Big bodies. Now.
Dig.
Make sure you're breathing. Should still be calm. Come on. Anchor. Now.
Dig.
Good call. Let's go. Power 10. Now.
1, 2,
Come on, ladies.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, let's go. Good shit right here. Second half push. Reset. Let's go. Anchor. No.
Dig.
Good call. Power 10. No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Come on.
8, 9, 10.
Yeah, let's go. Finish it. No. Come on, give me a strong finish. We need it. Good. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Stay with me!
Yeah, let's go.
Stay with me!
Yeah, push hard. Push hard. A little bit more. Walk it. Up. Walk it. Up. Walk it.
Up!
Walk it.
Up!
Come on. Good walk.